In this video, I would like to explain environmental issues including wildlife and land conservation, environmental public policy, climate and energy, animal rights, and environmental justice. Please like, subscribe and share to your dear and near. Environmental issues are a complex and pressing concern in the world today. They encompass a wide range of topics, from wildlife and land conservation to public policy, climate and energy, animal rights, and environmental justice. Wildlife and land conservation are essential to preserving the natural world and ensuring biodiversity. Land degradation, deforestation, and habitat loss are major threats to wildlife and plant species. Governments and organizations must prioritize protecting habitats, reducing human activities that harm the environment, and creating protected areas to conserve wildlife. Public policy is critical in addressing environmental issues, including reducing greenhouse gas emissions, promoting sustainable energy sources, and creating a framework for businesses to operate in an environmentally responsible manner. Governments have a responsibility to lead by example and implement policies that encourage environmentally conscious behavior and reduce harm to the environment. Climate change is one of the most pressing environmental issues of our time. It is caused by the emission of greenhouse gases from human activities such as burning fossil fuels and deforestation. The impacts of climate change are far-reaching and include sea level rise, increased frequency of natural disasters, and loss of biodiversity. To combat climate change, we must transition to a low-carbon energy system and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Animal rights is another important aspect of environmental protection. Animals deserve to be treated with dignity and respect and not subjected to cruel and inhumane treatment. Laws must be in place to protect animals from abuse, exploitation, and neglect. Governments and organizations must also work to reduce human activities that harm wildlife, such as hunting and habitat destruction. Finally, environmental justice is the principle that everyone, regardless of race, ethnicity, or income, deserves access to a clean and healthy environment. Environmental hazards, such as toxic waste sites and pollution, often affect low-income and marginalized communities, who lack the resources to protect themselves. Governments must ensure that all communities have access to clean air, water, and soil, and that environmental policies and regulations are designed with equity in mind. In conclusion, addressing environmental issues requires a multifaceted approach that involves protecting wildlife and land, implementing sound public policy, transitioning to a low-carbon energy system, protecting animal rights, and ensuring environmental justice. Governments, organizations, and individuals must work together to ensure a sustainable future for all. Thanks for watching.